This video explains how to manage the rewards of your employees in BUPE. The rewards management process starts with creating simulations for the rewards distribution, then sending it to the head of the company's approval. Finally, the head of the company approves it to finish the process. In the preferences, you can select which year and which company you want to view. To create a simulation, select Create Simulation Action from the Actions menu. Enter a unique name for the rewards distribution. Select the distribution type. If you want to have your simulation based on the employee's performance, select Evaluation based on employee's performance option under Evaluation criteria. Otherwise, select Do not consider the performance of employees option. In the eligibility criteria, you can select the No Eligibility Condition option to have everyone eligible for the rewards. By selecting the Minimum Overall KPI Score option, employees who have met with the minimum performance required will be made eligible to receive rewards. Note that the required minimum overall KPI score level is set by the system admin for each operating year. By selecting the minimum overall KPI score and critical cutoff value option, only the employees who met both minimum required KPI score, as well as critical KPI score, will be made available for rewards. Note that the critical cutoff value is also set by the system admin for each operating year. If you want to consider the performance of employees for a period, in the appraisal scope, select Appraisals are done for the selected period option and select From and to Dates. Otherwise, select Appraisals are done to date option to consider the performance of employees to date and select To Date. Enter the total amount of rewards to be distributed amongst all employees. Click Save button to create the simulation. Select the newly created simulation from the drop-down list. In the Structure Multipliers section, you can give different weights for units, titles and levels based on their importance in rewards distribution. By ticking or unticking on the checkboxes, you can select which units, titles and levels you want to consider for the rewards distribution. In the Employee Multipliers section, employees' names of the selected company will appear. By default, their salaries are in the multiplier column, which is taken as the weights that can be adjusted if required. Furthermore, by ticking or unticking the checkboxes, you can select which employees are to be included in the rewards distribution as well. Based on all the settings above, simulation results table will be loaded with employee details, their performances, eligibility, rewards amounts, and equivalent salary months. You can delete the saved simulations which are not approved or sent for approval but not yet approved by clicking the delete icon. Click on the Approve button to send the simulation for the head of the company's approval. In this video, we looked at how to manage rewards for your employees.